Everyone, and welcome back to the channel My Decor My Ideas with Varnali. Hope you all are doing well. And today's video is going to be a small makeover video. Actually, I've already done the makeover, so I'm going to give you a tour of our working space, as now most of the people are doing work from their home. The same scenario is going on in my home also. So I have created a small working place, as I have realized that while working in a bedroom or a drawing room or from your dining hall, it creates a little bit of laziness in you. So for that, I thought that let's create a dedicated space to work. So for that, I have created a little workspace, and I'm going to share with you all. Actually, I want to give you a quick update regarding my channel. So if you love home decor, home styling, home organization, then please don't forget to check my videos on every Friday, because from now onwards, every Friday I'm going to post videos on home decor, home organization, makeover, home tour. So if you are a home decor enthusiast, then please don't forget to check my videos every Friday. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe the channel. At the same time, press the notification bell button so that you can get the updates of my every latest video. And regarding my vlogs and other videos, so it will come randomly. I didn't have decided any fixed time. It may come in a week or it may not come, as I was busy in doing some kind of works, some kind of my personal work, so I didn't know when I will be able to post such videos. So that's all about a quick update of regarding my channel. Then yes, without any further delay, let's give me a quick tour of my what the working space that I have created is itself in our bedroom. Actually, at first we have placed our wardrobes here, but now we have changed the place, shifted the wardrobe to the other place in our bedroom, and that's why I was not able to post any videos this week, as I was busy in doing the rescheduling of furniture. Not kind of a rescheduling, you can say reshifting of furniture here and there. So as I need a space to create our working space. Then yes, without any further delay, let's start the tour of the video. But before that, how the space look like, I just want to give you a pre-clip of the video. That means the before, how the space actually look like. So let's check how the space previously looked like, and now how I have turned it into a working space. So this is how it looks like. I've already inserted a table here and replaced the wardrobe from here. So this is the overall the working space. You can see how it looks. So actually this is a space that we have, luckily, and we can previously we have a wardrobes here, but now as I've already told you, that I shifted the wardrobe to the other side of my bedroom. So here I have created the space, and you can see this is a table, working desk, which can easily insert inside this space. And this is a chair where I have tidied with this cloth. And I haven't kept too much of stuff in this table, as this is a working desk and we need some space to work it. So let me tell you what are the things that I have kept here. So first and the most important thing is this laptop, which is the most essential thing. Next, here I have just put a greetings card on a frame, and this is gifted by my students on Teachers' Day. Then again, in a glass I have put some potpourris. I love the smell of potpourris. So here, and here we have the idol of Lord Ganesha. It brings a lot of positivity. Then I have placed a vase with red crystals. Flower is here with a rose, just as a decor piece. Then again, next let's come to this. It's a DIY which haven't done properly. Actually this is a screen of a laptop which has totally damaged, and my husband actually told me to discard it, but I have taken the screens, and these are all the keys board, and in this way I have mentioned here, work is our passion, to again to bring a motivation. Then we have this tablecloth, which is another the most important thing and essential part in a table desk, and it's very cute. Actually, my sister has gifted us on our first anniversary, so this is very special and it's very cute, so I placed it here. Then again, in a teacup I have actually the tea mug, coffee mug you can say, where I have made it as a converted it to a pen stand, where I have put some pens, scissors, glue, which are again the essential things. And this is you all know what is this. It is a spec holder which I have gifted my husband on this Valentine's Day, where he can put his specs. And here we have kept some diaries and some books. So, and in the wall I have just put some acrylics. So these are the best thing that I have got on from Amazon. So I have purchased this last 1 year back from Amazon. So you can design it in your own way. So I have just put this acrylics stickers here. Placed a lamp here just to bring a cozy vibes here. So that's all. And the most good thing is that our balcony's door is there. So our balcony is here, bedroom balcony. So natural wind can easily come while working here. So that's all my working space.
Say low, please so cold. Stay a while, so very cold. Where I don't know.
So that's all in today's video, where I have shared with you our working space. So I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and comment below. और इसी के साथ मैं आप लोगों से मिलती हूँ मेरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर.